at a NETRA race this weekend, a New England Trail Rider Association event in Hoosick Falls, New York, Stateline harescramble. It's raining. It's Hurricane Harvey, the remnants of it, dumping rain. It's a wet and wild day. Let's get ready to go. We're racing, baby. But it looks like somebody had explosive diarrhea on the camera. We can't see anything. So jumping a little bit ahead, we can see a little bit more. I don't know what position I'm in, but I was running pretty good off the start. I got a good jump on it. Things are slippery out here, though. It's raining. There is water coming out of the sky. The dew point temperature has reached the air temperature. There is rain coming out of the sky. This is my first NETRA event that I've ever been to. And they had an earlier race in the morning here where the C-Class ran, and Tom, our boy Tom, got high point C. He won the overall in the morning race. Sandbag! Sandbag! Excuse me. In this grass track section here, it did me in. There's mud flying. It was like getting blasted, pressure washed by mud flying off the tires and everything. My goggles were useless. Complete useless. I go off the track and get all collaborated over here. And like 10 guys pass me. Maybe not 10, but 5. I don't know. But now I'm behind these guys, and it's just like open up the floodgates of mud in my face as we battle it through here. It gets wild. Too bad we can't see the action, though. There's people slipping and sliding, stuck on a hill, mud flying. And it's just a sloppy mess of fun. Up, we lost it. Back out into some more fields. It was really slippery. I mean, I'm talking, you gotta be on your A game to stay upright in this. And to try to do it fast. I mean, it was tough. I ditched the goggles, and I typically do not like to ride without goggles. But it was just, I couldn't run goggles. They were not working. If you can't see out of them, what good are they going to do? But the hardest part I was having was gripping the bike. My hands were covered in mud, and it was so slippery, I couldn't turn the throttle. I could not even turn it. So I was very notchy, so I go down here. I couldn't, like, spin the throttle. And with arm pump kicking in, I'm, like, gripping harder, trying to, you know, hold it. And when it's so slippery and you can't grip it, that's what she said. Oh, wow, I'm all over the place. I was having some trouble. I'm having trouble up here. Beautiful track, though. Look at this. Really nice, beautiful terrain. I wish it was drier just so I could get a feel of what a typical NETRA event is like. You know, mud races are whole different animals, so you can't really gauge everything from it. But whoa, this section, downhill, side action, nice stuff. Then you got to get out of here. get going, and I hit a tree. I was having difficulty just balancing in the ruts. You know, a lot of it was just single line through here, so, you know, you just had to have good balance, and when you're covered in mud and you're sticking to the bike, it was like when I stood up. That's the right sound effect. It's like a sucking sound. I need a sucking sound. Never mind. Never mind. My goggles off. Got rid of those useless things. And we come through scoring. And I'm in 20th, I think, in the first lap. Not doing well at all. But that's all right. I'm out here as a day rider just having fun. I wasn't out here to do anything crazy. So we continue on. We're on the lap 2. Got around that rider there. I don't know who was who or what was what out here in this mud. Everything was covered, so it was just like, all right, well, got around that guy covered in mud. I don't know who he was. This section started to get pretty gnarly. Rider's stuck. I was looking for a line, and I keep her moving. I just kind of snake her up like a little bear climbing a tree. Scoring again. I'm in 17th place now. And I just keep pushing. Whoa. Getting a little squirrely out there. It actually was very slippery if you got out of the main line. If you get out of the main line, the mud builds up in your tires and in the knobs of your tires. It sticks right to it, and then then you are really having trouble finding traction. Oh! High-sided her there. Woohoo! Direct. What did that guy say? You wrecked into me? You wrecked into the TV? Erected. Those guys were cheering me on out there every time I came by. Standing out there in the rain, man, that's a fun day. Taking a tree to the face, but man, I somehow got myself up that, but my bike is boiling over. Kind of hear it here. But now it kind of actually becomes a problem because as I'm riding, it starts boiling over. Like at random times as I'm going. Not, you know, the radiators were so jammed up with mud that it was just boiling over as I was riding. So I finished this lap up. I'm in 16th. I hear Tom yell over at the side, "Go faster!" So I start going. Bang! Boom! Bang! I hit a tree. Man, I barely clip it. But I hit that thing, and my dang rim broke. My front rim. So it's like bent, and I'm looking at it. I can see it wobbling. There's like an inch wobble. And there's a broken spoke wrapped into my front rotor. Clicking, making a clicking sound. But everything's working, so I figure, hey, let's keep going. And crash in front of a bunch of people that just cheered me on.
Darn it!
They're all yelling. I'm like, oh, gosh. I'm a hero out here. Not really. All of a sudden, I'm popping popcorn out here. Something's going on. It's hot. It's boiling over pretty bad right now. So I'm like, okay. Let me get up this hill and stop the bike. This sucks, but I'd rather not kill the bike. I stop for a minute and let it cool.
What is going on?
I'm not moving. I think I fried my clutch.
What the hell is happening?
Oh, and then I see the steam coming from my tire. She's spinning.
I think my tire came off the... Yeah.
I got a bib in there, and the thing came off the rim. I'm working my way out of here. When I get stuck in this disaster zone, people are stuck, I'm stuck. I gotta hand push my bike out of here because it's not moving with the tire off the rim. What I was trying to do is I wanted to finish this lap. I was most of the way through.
Yeah, rim's off.
I pushed it up all the way up this hill, and I'm like, I'm not gonna finish this lap. It kept going, and I came to a worker, so I was like, screw it.
My tire came off the rim, so. Handy. Yeah, so, do you know how far it is to get back, or like?
Let me just zip out that trail quick. I can't remember if that hook's back on or not. Kid watches you non-stop.
Really?
Say, what in the hell is the matter with you?
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh,
yeah.
Let me zip out that quick.
Yeah, all right, thanks. Yeah.
That guy's kid watches Zack Attack 1. What's going on, dude? Hope he watches this. Shout out to him. So I do the ride of shame back. Look at the mud on this thing. And I did so much damage to this dang bike in this race. I crushed the pipe in, broke a spoke off, the front rim is bent, the rear tire's off. I mean, what? 3 laps did more damage than I did all season. I don't know. But anyway, smash that like button. Be sure to ride that subscribe button hard. Okay. It's not, well, whatever. See you guys later.